What brings you to Space Tech this year?
We are the first time here, and we are really surprised positively about the size, about the number of professionals coming here. Our intention here is to come into contact with maybe as well suppliers, either for our own development of our space test center, but as well, of course, to approach other and future customers which we do not know up to now, mostly from the supplier area.
What new technologies or services are you showcasing here?
We have developed thermal vacuum tests up to 650 degrees and Celsius, not only in this size, in big size, so in our 2.5 meter chamber and 3 meter chamber in diameter. This is very important for missions like Solar Orbiter, or for future missions which get additional energy by swing-by maneuver from Venus, by example.
And what changes have you seen in the space industry in the last few years?
There's of course a trend visible, and this is a commercialization of space activities, so-called new space. Professor Werner, General Director of ESA, named it Space 4.0, and this is as well a subject which we are interested in and which we are targeting to provide services as well for this new approach in the space community.
What trends or technologies do you think we'll see more of in the next few years?
So with regards to the bigger constellations which are at the moment in the press and on the conferences, I think the quality, the production of quality will not only be produced, let me say, in testing, but as well in procedures in the production lines. And this is as well a subject where we can provide, due our services, due our big heritage. We are more than 50 years in the business with regards to qualification, to testing, to qualification, and now we have to find ways to transfer the classical way, coming from the tests, to the producing of quality during the production process.
What new connections or partnerships are you hoping to make at the show?
As I mentioned, we are looking in particular for suppliers for the space, which are contributing in the space business, and because the big companies, the system companies in our business, we know all projects, but and this is I think a plus of this show, that a lot of suppliers here are contributing, and we have a lot of very interesting talks in this area, and providing already at home some offers for them, which we had discussions yesterday, and this is quite unusual for an exhibition in our business.